Back at sea again. After taking down that fiery squid last time, I didn't get any new harpoons, still rocking these same two. Guess this is as good as it gets. Today, I'm out here to hunt a bird. What kind of bird? This one right here. I spotted it after the squid fight, so let's get straight to it. It's a bit of a big boy, isn't it? And it just keeps fluttering around. How am I supposed to hit this thing? A moving target? Wait, it's taking 0 damage. You thick-skinned or something. Now it's just hatching an egg right in front of my face. Seriously? Either I can't touch it, or it's about to become stir-fried pigeon in 2 hits. What? It swims too. Great, and now it's gone. You're getting a little too cocky there, buddy. Time to fix the boat. From this angle, I can actually see the repair progress. Is it getting faster? Move, move, move. Oh my god, 3 HP bars gone in 1 hit. Why are you running so far away? How am I supposed to hit that? Stop running. You're really testing my skill here. He's charging. Aim for the head. Boom. Those 2 hits definitely stung. Where are you going now? He's literally leaving the map. He's like 800 miles away firing lasers. What an absolute idiot. Your laser doesn't even reach this far. Stop flying. I'm already over here. Just stay still for a second. Why am I missing? Got him. Another one. One more. Whoa, whoa, steady. I can take it. I'm good. And he's running again. I am begging you, stop with the long-range stuff. That is so cheap. Seriously, I'm getting sick of this. Don't run. Last hit. One more. Gotcha. Don't you dare move. Take another one. You're finished. Gotta hop up and repair for a second. Boom, hit him. What a loser. Looks like these waters aren't calming down yet. These massive stone pillars just appeared in the middle of the ocean. No idea what they are, but they definitely mean monsters. There he is. And you're gone. Get lost.